Welcome, everyone. It's a rainy Saturday, April 1st, here in Ocean City, Maryland. And I thought it might be a good idea on a little bit of a crappy weekend to make some homemade tacos. And Angela Johnson is here to help. Say hi to everybody, Angie.
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, and this is the Angela Johnson of Angie's Sensational Crafts. All right, so let's head over to the kitchen and I'll go over what's on the menu today. So we had 2 chubs of Jennie-O turkey seasoned taco meat in the freezer, and that's what we're going to start off with. We have it seasoning in a Dutch style oven right now, and as you can see, it's definitely well seasoned with some taco flavoring. Just in case we need a little more seasoning, we picked this up at the local Food Lion at 120th Street. And as you can see, this is the reduced sodium. But I don't know, we might not even need this, because that looks pretty well seasoned already. In addition to the turkey meat, we also have a piece of leftover cod, and I think that'll be a starter for some fish tacos as well. And so, Food Lion had a special this week on cod, tilapia, and flounder, $3.99 for 10 ounces. And we're going to add them to the pot after the turkey is done. My plan is that once the turkey is done, we're going to drain it in this colander and then put all of the juice and flavorings back in the pot and add the tilapia and flounder. As to the cod, we don't need to cook that anymore, so we'll just put that in the pot for probably 30 or 40 seconds just to get the right flavoring. So we've already got the extra toppings chopped up here, thanks to Angela, with the onions, tomatoes, and lettuce. For the carrier, we picked up some La Banderita flour tortillas at Food Lion in the international aisle, and we had in stock some Casa Mamita chunky salsa. And then we're going to top them off with a 4-cheese blend of Monterey Jack, cheddar, asadero, and queso quesadilla cheeses, as well as some sour cream. So in the spirit of Julia Childs, Angela is having a little Cabernet Sauvignon while we cook. And here we have the first finished product. This version is the cod fish taco. Thanks for joining us, and we hope that you enjoy the recipe.